Shenzhen Lvchuang, Environmental Protection Filter Material Co. Ltd., established in 2008, is located in Shenzhen, a leading technology city in China's intelligent manufacturing sector. It is an emerging environmental technology company mainly engaged in the research, development, production, and sales of environmental filtration and purification materials, filter screens, and filter elements. We have been focusing on filtration and purification industry for 17 years with a strong technical development team, specializing in the development and sales of new high-quality air filtration and purification products, suchas, dust, oil, smoke, mist, water, bacteria, etc. Specializing in customized development and production, providing customers with one-stop service from design to manufacturing. Our company possesses advanced production equipment and testing instruments, strictly adhering to the ISO 9001 quality management system to ensure quality. Our products have passed RoHS, REACH, and SGS certifications and meet UL and USCA 117 flame retardant standard. We support OEM or ODM, and our products are exported to many countries and regions in Europe, America, Japan, and South Korea, receiving high praise from our customers. We uphold the principles of quality, reputation, and profit first, and are committed to providing excellent customer service. We will continue to launch new products to meet market demands and make a more lasting contribution to promoting global environmental protection.